Is localized email orchestration logic pathing failed due to the Mail library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. While preparing the manual steps for Mail library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Mail library, a generic localized email messaging module, frequently associated with localized mail automation shims or specialized enterprise database reporting tools to handle localized SMTP handshakes. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Missing Mail library. DLL data often points to a failed patch within the localized email orchestration logic integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Mail library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Mail library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Mail library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Mail library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.